So we got the dirt fairly leveled good. Rock's coming tomorrow, so we're putting down a driveway weed fabric before we put that on top to help with weeds. But
all right, we got it all laid out, ready for rock. The rock will be here tomorrow, and we'll be moving forward with our hothouse.
Time to get the backhoe and move that gravel over to the side over there. Had it delivered this morning. Now when the boards get wrapped around the outside,
it's sturdy.
that's going to really do it up.
You want to move the back towards the...
No, I mean that way.
Yeah. Well, if anybody can't tell, we're putting together a greenhouse. So we can have some of the plants inside, like the lettuce and things of that sort, and also get an early start with the sprouts. So this frame that we have, we've had this forever. This was actually, it was longer. It used to be 20 feet long, but through wind and everything, and we've lost it. And it was a what would you call that? A party tent. We had it down in the gun range here on the farm, and we had just a tin roof on it, and we were using it for a cover to keep the rain off the tractor before we had any barns or anything here. We had a tractor here, so we had it down there. Now we've got barns to put the tractor in. So I thought, you know what, we can either make it into a chicken coop or we could make it into this. So we don't want chickens yet, so we got this. So I went and got some clear plastics to let the sun in for the greenhouse. And let me tell you what, you stand underneath this and it gets hot, so it should very much do its job. So I'm putting just rough wood around it. I'm either using clamps when I bolt them on, or some conduit clamping to clamp on the board, or because those cost so much now, I had these from way back when. I went out and bought some of the strap, and I just cut off a piece of it and I screw them on that way. So I got 100 foot of that for a lot less than I could buy all these clamps for. And it's more versatile because I can make more things out of it. So I'm just putting my framing boards on it so I can screw the tin to it. Yeah, and it's not the Mona Lisa, but she's going to do the job.
Whee! All right, it's time to go get Tony a new drill. The first piece of tin. Ah, looks good.
These are so long they walk.
Yep. Does that tuck behind the metal?
The top, on the outside,
Oh, okay.
so the rain washes.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. And then it tucks under there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ooh, it looks so good. Hello. It looks good. Yeah. I see you. You look like one of those characters on TV that they blur out when they're telling a story that they don't want anyone to know who they are.
Wait for it to bite.
Our greenhouse is coming along nice. Tony is putting the trim work on. He's done a fantastic job. It looks so good.
It's not green.
Not yet. It'll be green on the inside, hopefully.
Green on the inside.
Oh, looks good. And also, he's working on these little wooden scalloped pieces. Those are gonna go right up there at the top to give it a little pizzazz. Gotta have the hothouse greenhouse looking hot. Yeah, she's gotta look hot. She's gonna be all decorated up. We're excited to see it when it's done. So got the door, some vents to put in the back. We got to finish the roof ridge piece. What else? We were gonna do some paint decorations on this side. We're not 100% sure yet. Along here, we might paint a scene. We'll see. So pretty today.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. dream. Believe in strength, now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. A life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Superhero.
Where are you going, Tony?
Gotta go use my chop saw. I don't have power here, and my generator don't have enough watts for the chop saw, so I have to keep it up here.
Back to it. We got to go beyond those trees right there. You can hear the generator running.
Hey guys, well, broke down last night. I've been working on the greenhouse here, and I am missing my door. I was going to go ahead and just build one, but the clear panels that I have are only 24 inches wide, and the door is 30 inches wide, so we wouldn't fit the piece I have. And I was like, this is just crazy. I was like, just dig in the wallet, let's go to the store and buy a door. So we went to Menards last night, and because they had some that were low end and would do the job. Actually, it's a lot more high end than I need for a greenhouse, but and it's a 30-inch door, so it's a lot different size than a standard exterior storm door, which are usually 36. Unfortunately, when we were in there, we asked him if he had any returns or anything, and he did have a return. And it was like a $399 door. They had it marked down to $100, but it was a 34-inch, and I would have had to done some hacking. And my wife was just like, nah, no, it's just not worth it. It was a darn nice door though. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to put this door up. Excuse me, I'm battling some lung problems here, but I broke my tripod when I pulled up on the ATV. It fell off and broke the phone holder. That's why I'm holding the phone right now. But yeah, I'm going to put this door in here this morning, and that's what we're doing. So hang in there.
Wow, so Tony's got the door on the greenhouse. It looks great. And then the inside's coming together very nicely. We're probably going to put raised bed along here. Then we got a working table. We're going to make this solid. And then over here is going to be another area for plants and herbs. And then we got a deep raised bed coming in the back here. And probably some gutter strawberries along the top. So we'll see what's going to happen with that. But yeah, it looks so cool. It looks just like a hothouse in here, Tony. Good job.
It's even hot.
It is. It looks good.
Just like the street lights lit this town like a fire in a blaze. Gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
There's a weird centipede. Let's see.
So you're gonna mix it in there, or you gonna mix it on the?
I'm messing with centipedes right now. I want to go throw them in the grass. This was. The worms are plentiful. They are growing in our compost pile. They have plenty to eat.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back.